Honorable Dr. Kuyok, Minister of General Education and guest of honor today. Honorable Dr. Lamoro, Minister for Cabinet Affairs. Honorable Zakaria, Minister of Wildlife, Conservation and Tourism. The Deputy Governor of Central Equatoria, Parmena Awerial, the former Secretary General or the former Secretary in the office of the President, Honorable members, community members from both, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Today is a wonderful day that I have seen. The whole community who have come here today, I could not believe that you have young people like this in Juba. I'm really happy. The magnitude that I have seen has moved me that Bor can do something for their state. The two young people who stood here and made the debate today have moved me. Elijah Manyok for Development Alliance and Dr. Thon Ago Adia for Action for Change. For Action for Change. These gentlemen are really well educated and they can do something for poor people. My message is that we unite and work for the development of poor. My message, we bring also the poor to narrowing to your community. Say that you unite as poor people. That one will make you great people. I am appealing for that. The young gentlemen who will come and win these elections to work for that to unite your community. My point that I would like to say is that sometimes people think that they say things that they will not do. Do not base great hope on them because things are difficult also. Let them make something possible that they can do. But don't base your hope that they will do what they say here. No. But if you have the people of all who are in abroad, Australia, Canada, US, all these countries, if they contribute, you will make something greater than what they say. And I think that Elijah Manyok. Teacher Moon Kabuko Pool, Koyabulo Bo. I'm not going to a Bolia. Going to a Bolia, I call you. I call you. People know a people of war Paul will be Gajam to Alia. Now you come to a board about the 40 to go. Can you get a car level? Kagaya? I call you. So, Elijah, Ani angkiri jam tong bor ka ba ko na ngi ja jam tong ali ka ba do ali ap kene bor to ali ap a jinge ko god okay kun human being to the toy o ga to the toy ba chule ga le ka governor we ake ko jan ko ke tigelo tina etin monja and they must be treated in the same way Yena they are treated. Quite a look at your panel. And a book I can Martin Elia Lamoro at Rotten Uke Randida Kuma. And I can join the Kenway Chago, now could be in this house, Yenga Koi. Pujagas of honor. Can a book eaten, we got a lay a red way born, who by in peace, who by unity done, by Loy, Yariel. Thank you.